The Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Association yesterday filed an FIR at the Sardar police station regarding a fake Facebook account created in the name of the association without the consent to mislead the public. The account was named Aristotle C. Rimbai MSSASA and was created by Kering Bhat Marak. The association has strongly condemned individuals involved in creating this fake FB account, misleading both SSA teachers and the general public.
Come here in Sardar police station to lodge our FIR regarding one post shared yesterday by a person named Tengse Sangma. This account was created in the name of the association, Meghalaya SSA School Association, in short Masasa, and also in my name, President of the association, Aristotle C. Rimbai. Yesterday evening, I just came to learn about this. Today, we from the association, we have come and lodged an FIR in the Sardar police station for further inquiry regarding this post, which have created wrong information, especially to the SSA teachers in particular, and also to the citizens of the state in general.
National Tuberculosis